Hi guys, so on this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger messages in less than 1 minute. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find every single app that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find Messenger and click on it. When you click on Messenger, it will take you directly into this page right here. Click on force stop and then go to the data usage. Make sure to enable these four options here. Go back again, click on the storage, click on clear cache, go back, and when you click on clear cache it will clear it as you can see. Go back, click on open by default, click on open supported links in this app and choose ask every time. And now turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.